Dear Mr. Kejriwal, I would like to congratulate you on the fantastic job that you've been doing. I have in fact made a video, and I've sort of in my mind I'm comparing you to Governor Andrew Cuomo of New York. Both of you seem to be doing an equally good job. As far as the suggestion is concerned, sir, I am not personal. I would like to establish right up front that it makes absolutely no difference to me personally if the borders remain clamped down or they are opened. But my suggestion to you would be that for economic activity to now resume and come back, for people's livelihoods to be effective, free movement of people, goods have to start. There should be absolutely no restrictions. In fact, you should also one, you should open Delhi borders, and number two, you should even talk to the neighboring states that their chief minister should not restrict any movement of people, goods, and services across the borders, so that we become a normal state, and we go back to the position, as far as administration is concerned, we go back to the position where we were pre-COVID. And so that was the first part of what I would like to say. As far as the hospital issue is concerned, that too many people will start coming into Delhi for getting treatment done. You can maybe work out how many people you're going to. You should not be saying that we will not take anybody in hospitals. If you have some spare capacity, make it a priority that okay, if it's a Delhi citizen who is unwell, and if it's an outside person who is unwell, a permanent resident of Delhi is unwell, and if a not permanent resident of Delhi is unwell, you can make you can distinguish between who will be given priority. So prioritization can be done. Although these are very difficult things to implement, I understand, but you can maybe work out some way that for treatment, patients can be somehow managed in a way that if too many people start flowing in for just for treatment, maybe you can work out something, and maybe you can also look at enhancing your own capacity. I'm sure you're doing it. If you can further extend it and accommodate other people of the rest of the nation. After all, they are also citizens of the same country. They should, if one state is doing a good job and if facilities are available, they should have an opportunity to go there and get a good treatment done. So we should not deny anybody, but yes, like you do it in schools and colleges, that priority is given to a permanent resident of Delhi. You can do the same thing for COVID treatment also. And so that's my 2 paisa that I can my suggestions as far as I can think of anything right now. And I would again like to congratulate you on the fantastic job you're doing. I'm sure you're doing you're putting in a lot of hard work into it, and one can see from the results that yes, I think Delhi is the best managed state in India, and also it is the most stressed, being the capital. Whoever is listening to this particular recording, I'll request you, if you could take it forward to Mr. Kejriwal, ask him to spare 4 minutes of his time and listen to this tape. I'd be very thankful. Thank you very much. I hope my suggestions are of some use to you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for listening. If you're still here, thanks for watching the whole video. You must have liked it, so give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. Thank you very much.